The black kite, Milvus migrans, is a medium-sized bird of prey belonging to the family Accipitridae in the order Falconiformes. It has a body length of about 54-69 centimeters, a bill length of 2.54 centimeters, and a wingspan that can reach up to 1.6 meters. Its tail is approximately 27-36 centimeters long, and its weight ranges from 0.9 to 1.1 kilograms. Both males and females look alike, but females are generally larger than males. The bird's plumage is mostly dark brown, with light brown and reddish-brown markings scattered throughout. The head and neck are lighter in color, with the top of the head and back of the neck being brownish-brown with blackish-brown feather shafts. The forehead and the area around the eyes are grayish-white, and the ear feathers are dark brown. The upper body is dark brown, with the wings being a mix of light brown and dark brown, and the flight feathers are black. The outer flight feathers have white bases on the underside. During flight, large white patches can be seen on both wings. The underparts are grayish-white on the chin, cheeks, and throat, with the chest, abdomen, and sides being dark brown. The lower abdomen to the vent is light, turning to a yellowish-brown. The tail is long, brown, with alternating black and brown bands of equal width, and the tail tips are light brownish-white. The tail is forked and spreads out during flight, forming a fan shape. The iris is dark brown, the bill is black, and the cere and base of the lower bill are yellowish-green. The feet and toes are yellow or yellow-green, and the claws are black. Young birds are mostly chestnut-brown, with brownish-white feather shafts on the head and neck. The chest and abdomen have broad brownish-white vertical stripes, and the wing coverts have white tips. The tail's horizontal bands are not as distinct as in adults, but the rest of the plumage resembles the adult bird. The black kite is usually seen either alone or in small groups. It is diurnal and often rests on posts, power lines, buildings, the ground, or trees. It is a skilled flyer, adept at using rising thermals to soar to great heights, where it can hover for long periods. Its tail is spread out and constantly adjusts to change direction. On the air, it uses its sharp vision to spot and track prey, and when it finds something, it quickly dives downward to catch it with its talons. The black kite is cautious, yet fierce, and has a distinctive, sharp whistle-like call. It is carnivorous, feeding primarily on small birds, rodents, snakes, frogs, fish, wild rabbits, lizards, and insects, occasionally preying on poultry or scavenging carrion. It typically inhabits open plains, grasslands, wastelands, and low hills. It can often be seen over suburban areas, villages, farmlands, harbors, and lakes, but occasionally it also appears in high mountain forests and forest edges. It is widely distributed across the Eurasian continent, Africa, and Australia. Black kites are usually monogamous, breeding between April and July. They often build their nests in tall trees or on cliff edges. Both parents help in constructing the nest, which is shallow and made primarily of dry twigs with softer materials, like dead grass, paper, scraps of fabric, and feathers as lining. They breed once a year, with 2-5 eggs per clutch. The eggs are bluntly oval-shaped and off-white, with red-brown speckles. The incubation period lasts about 38 days, and both parents share the responsibility of incubating and raising the chicks. The young are slow to mature, and after about 6 weeks, they leave the nest and begin to fly. They reach sexual maturity at around 3-4 years of age, and their lifespan can be as long as 28 years. Due to its wide distribution and stable, healthy population trends, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, classifies the black kite as a species of least concern.